First time I got them done, I was scared because you hear bonds and you just don't know.
Yeah.
I was definitely scared the first time trying bonds, but I'm like, let me just go for it. And then after the 3 months, I took them exactly out at the 3-month mark, which is what is recommended. And my hair looks better than it did when before I had extensions.
This is why I love extensions, is because you can see this is from this link.
Yeah.
This is from her natural, no K-tips were attached to this.
Oh,
this
okay.
is from natural damage.
Yeah.
This hair is what was in the K-tips.
That's wild.
In extensions in general. So this one gets so much more growth because it's protected by all of the hair.
That is so crazy.
And so you have an extra
oh my God.
2 inches.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
I think what I loved about the K-tips too is the stylist blends the K-tips together with your natural hair. For me, that just winds up being the perfect haircut because I like a lot of weight out of the bottom.
Yeah.
And that's what happens is you take weight out of your natural hair and then it just becomes more voluminous up here, and it was just really feathery and light.